Hi, I'm Rajwan. Today I will tell you about some things and sites that would help you for to be a good freelancer. These sites offer tutorial courses that you can learn easily. This is Udemy. You can easily sign up from here. Even I will log in. There are many free courses here in Udemy. You can easily go through there and find out. Suppose for web development, I search HTML. There are many HTML courses here. I search one. There are many criteria. You can buy or find free courses. To find free courses, go to price and free. Select HTML. There are many HTML courses here. Here is visual learning. HTML. Those are paid courses. There are CSS courses as well. If you write React framework, React JS, there are many courses here. 738. Select React. There are 377 courses. I said price as free. There are 34 courses. Pay select one. Could easily start it. Modern JavaScript, Ajax, build a new app. Total 2 hours 49 minutes. There are many courses. If you want to learn design, Adobe Illustrator, those are also free. The paid courses here. Some I will set free courses. 656 courses are free here. A lot of free courses here. If you want to learn SEO, search engine optimization, SEO tutorials for beginners, SEO mini, best practices, SEO tutorials. The popular is digital marketing. There are some digital marketing courses here. The new popular marketing courses are different. There are free courses here. Free one. There are many free courses. A popular programming and design learning site is YouTube. There are many popular sites. Uh, if you search how to learn HTML. There are many tutorial comes in here. Test course, design course is a good one. If I write web design, design another is Kevin Powell. This contain a small tutorials. Another popular is Traverse Media. They are providing tutorials regularly. Some popular YouTube channels for web design and programming is easy tutorials. Easy tutorials for reviews. Another is Dartboard. The small line different kind of CSS works. If you want to write Adobe Photoshop, there are many tutorials for design works, free course, method roots, basic solutions. This is also a good channel. I You can bookmark it here by pressing Ctrl D if you like. Yeah, this is a popular. There are other pictures like is Skillshare, Coursera. Could also try out there. So bye for today.